Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to Ayurveda Lifestyle. So as you can see today I'm here in my kitchen and I thought I would show you what I have as a nighttime Ayurvedic drink. But before I do, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, please like and please share. And also if you can do a thumbs up. Right, so first things first, I've got a heavy bottom pan here and I've actually started to put a bit of milk in here and add a little bit more. Now when it comes to milks, I do use mainly in the winter time a milk which is whole milk. Because I do find I need something more grounding and slightly thicker and creamier and slightly more dense, if you like, in the winter. Otherwise, which I'm using today, is a semi-skimmed milk. I'm just going to add a little bit to that. So add a little bit in the saucepan, and I'm just going to boil. Make sure it goes up to a boiling point. Now, I do have semi-skimmed and whole milk, but quite often I have almond milk, and it's really important having almond milk and also oat milk, which I use all the time but have run out. Always buy the unsweetened. Now I just want to explain, just here, I did buy this in Aldi and it's unsweetened almond milk, and I did look at a major brand, one of the large brands, and which was unsweetened almond milk, and when I compared the back, they were exactly the same, and this was less than half the price. So I would recommend if you do go to Aldi. So what I'm going to do, let's add some almond milk in there as well. I do find almond milk is quite watery, so if I'm using almond milk, I tend to add in some oat milk with it, usually 50-50, just to make it slightly more creamy. Now I'm going to add some whole nutmeg here. I've got my clove here. If you want to use just sort of already ground, that is fine. So I'm just going to add some nutmeg. Put it up higher, and then I'm going to add some ground ginger. Now obviously if you don't like any of these ingredients you can omit them. Actually what I'll do, so teaspoons are very hard to get into, so I'm just going to add a little bit there. I'm also going to add some ground cinnamon. Now cinnamon is amazing. All of these are full of antioxidants, and these are powerful antioxidants. Helps, lower blood pressure and all sorts of things, and they're all anti-inflammatory. So a tiny bit of that. And then I'm just going to finish with I'm going to go for some turmeric today. Again, anti-inflammatory. Occasionally, I do like to put in cardamom as well, particularly if it's cold and I just feel like I need a bit more of a kick. But today I'm going to leave that. I'm just going to add some, as you see, I'm almost on the last dregs. So just a quarter of a teaspoon. Oh, it's starting to boil. Take it off. And then once it's boiled, you just want it to just calm and slow down and just come down to, that's it. And you just want it then to simmer, so just turn that down slightly. Now we'll take a spoon and we just want to stir it round. If you want something a little bit sweeter, although I have actually added in the cinnamon, you can actually add honey as well. If you're going to add honey, not too much because obviously it's sugar. I would highly recommend Manuka honey. You could do half a teaspoon if you wanted to, but I do tend to find putting in and using the cinnamon really does the job for sweetness anyway. There we go. And it doesn't take long at all. And then I'm just going to put it into a cup here. And there we are. We have our lovely nighttime drink, and honestly, you'll sleep like a baby. Just one other thing, obviously, when you're adding in spices, and particularly turmeric, you want to drink this, but make sure you clean your teeth before you actually sleep. So there we are, a nice nighttime drink for the autumn, winter, or if you're, other parts of the world in the fall. And as I say, highly recommend. Add bits and pieces as, spices. You can mix and match. And the same with the milk. Obviously, as I say, you can use whole milk, semi-skimmed milk. I really do like oat milk. And also you do have almond milk. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And again, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, please like and please share. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.